Hey, good afternoon. This is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a brand new boat, just took it on trade. It is a brand new boat. It's a 2023 Veranda VR22RC. It's a 22-foot Tritoon powered with a Yamaha 200 VMAX. It is the new Yamaha 200 on it, so it's an actual phenomenal motor. We've got black exterior panel, smooth. We got black rails above the deck. This would be considered like the quad bench seating. So it's got a captain's chair, co-captain's chair. We'll take a little walk around. This boat only has right at 10 hours, 9.8 hours on it. Ski tow bar, powder coated black. It is the new VMAX 200 Yamaha. Got underwater lights on this boat, interior LED lights on. Very nice interior, exterior, no scratches, dings, and nothing of that nature. It is a full-length Tritoon, double bimini as you can see, so that's a nice feature it has as well. Pop-up cleats right here. Climb aboard and take a look here. It's got the nice vinyl wood floor look to it. In-floor storage. Got some indirect LED lighting on the inside. Storage up under your seats. Speakers. Got a nice angle to them to give you good music. In-floor storage. Storage under the console. This one does have a 7-inch Garmin on the screen. Got a kicker KMC 45 for the head unit. Yamaha binnacle there, of course. Nice high back captain's chair. Again, the quad bench, so you got nice 2 lounges in the back. Co-captain's chair, captain's chair. Back, so got a nice stainless steel ladder there. Again, there's the Yamaha. It's a good looking boat. It's available here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Again, it's a 2023 Veranda VR22 with a Yamaha 200 SHO motor. Give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.